Hi, I'm Tami Charles, author of All Because You Matter, which is an affirmation of worth, and We Are Here, which is a celebration of history and legacy. In Book 3, Together United, this is a proclamation of how I envision the future. A type of future where we celebrate our differences, where we honor and learn from our past, and where we uplift those who will follow in our footsteps. I'd like to share with you one of my favorite parts of the book. Did you know you are an engineer? Builder of bridges, you crack codes, making discoveries no one else knows. Your mind is intergalactic, out of this world fantastic. Small hands designed for big change. The ancestors rejoice when they call out your name. Together, we are the stuff of dreams. Those who come before left footsteps for us to follow. Their art, their fight, their grit, their light orbits all around us. This is how I know the universe holds space for you, for me. Opening hearts and minds, changing history. I really hope that you enjoy reading Together United.